I remember it was so confusing for me when I started. It was like double crochet, triple crochet, single crochet. I just couldn't remember what is what. So I want to quickly show you a cool trick that once upon a time helped me, and I hope will be useful for you as well. Basically, the idea is to think of all these crochet stitches not individually, but as sort of variations of one stitch. By the end of this video, you will see that the biggest difference in all these basic crochet stitches is just height. Some of them very short, some of them very tall, but the principle sort of remains the same. It's just a few different modifications that you have to do. Okay, so now let's take a look at these stitches one by one, from shortest to tallest. Slip stitch, insert your hook, grab yarn, draw it through. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Pull this loop through that one. That's your slip stitch. Single crochet, start in the same way. Insert your hook, grab yarn, pull it through. 2 loops on your hook. Now do yarn over one more time and pull it through both loops. Half double crochet. Instead of going straight here, you first do yarn over, and then you insert your hook. You grab yarn, pull it out just like before, but now you will have 3 loops on your hook. You will do yarn over again and pull it through all 3 at once. Double crochet. You start just in the same way. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull, and you again will have 3 loops on your hook, but now instead of pulling through all 3 at once, you will do it step by step. You will pull yarn through 2, and you will have 2 loops left, and you do it again. This is double crochet. Triple crochet, yarn over, just like before, and then again yarn over, second time. Now insert your hook, pull. Now you will have 4 loops on your hook. Complete in 3 steps. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and finish your stitch. So now you can see the difference in height for all these basic stitches, and it is quite significant. Slip stitch, you pretty much can see it. Single crochet will be very short. Half double crochet and double crochet will be tall, and triple crochet is going to be really, really tall. So I hope this video was useful and it helped you to make sort of better sense of basic crochet stitches and will help you with your future projects. As always, if you have any questions, let me know, and see you soon. Bye!